I'm Edward Jameson. I'm a professional fire eater.
My name is Katya, the snake charmer. This is my snake Play-Doh.
My name is Jessica Antennacruz. I am an aerialist.
My name is Dan, and I'm a knife thrower.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Mimo? Am I saying that right?
It kind of looks like alien food.
I've never seen anything like this before.
It is a texture that I didn't know it was going to be.
Ooh, they're cold.
What the? That's delicious. It's like powdery, like a donut on the outside, but then like ice cream.
Oh, that's rich. I like chocolate. I consider myself a chocolate expert. Occasionally fire will taste of chocolate for a reason no one has ever been able to explain. This I prefer.
Whoa. Okay, they're really good. It really takes me back to my childhood. All fun, no stress.
Oh, it's so cold. I think it's cookies and cream. I definitely think this is from another planet. And I say don't play with your food raw. Definitely play with this because it's a blast. And then eat it because it's good.
Do you need some Mimo, like for your tongue?
He probably loves the colors. Hey, Play-Doh, what do you think of Mimo? Yeah, he's never smelled this before.
Whoever has the Mimo, it's their mo. But then it's their mine because it's Mimo. And you know what? This is Mimo. Get your own.
Mimo's like performing because people want it in their face. Literally in their face.